Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Subaru Forester in white with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's an automatic, and it also is all-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your traction control located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your media control, hands-free dialing, cruise control, as well. This toggles through different options for your vehicle. You also have paddle shifters on the left and on the right here. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading, and then you can toggle with the push of a button, trip A and B, and then back around again. In the center, as we toggle through different options, you can see what's going on with the vehicle. As well, you will see your backup camera view there. So when I put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see that view. As well, you have your media choices, AM, FM, as well as CD, auxiliary, and there's also Bluetooth. And then you have your volume and tuner that you can go through. Below that is your climate control with front and rear defrost. There's your fan and there's AC. Down below you're seeing your 12 volt. And you also have heated seats for both driver and passenger, and X mode there. The automatic shifter is located in the center. Your emergency parking brake is right beside the driver. A couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up and there's a little bin you can take out. Down below, lots of storage. You also have USB auxiliary line and 12 volt in there. Off to the side is your locking glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. Here's your sunglass holder, and as well you have your lighting control. There's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. In the back you have your windshield wiper and your backup cameras to the left of the Subaru badge. And when you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so by clicking on your fob. It lights up and chimes for you and releases it, and then you just put your hand underneath. A little bit to the left of the badge here, there's a button, and when you, there you press it, and it opens right up. Inside you've got that all-weather mat as well as some extra carpeted mats, and you've also got a cage that separates you from what's in the back, and that could be for an animal or for objects that you decide to put back there. You're also seeing the anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and your hatch is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You lift the tab at the back of the seat and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing the all-weather and carpeted mats. There's also that cage should you have an animal. And on the back of the seats, as we mentioned, there are the tethers to be able to tether baby seats. And then you can just push the seat right back up. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and up above you have handles. Passenger side fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.